Sa punto pong ito, mula sa pag-uusapang pagkain, pag-usapan naman po natin ng mga personalidad, tayo po mga Pilipino minsan dapat chine-check din po natin ang ating sarili kung paano natin mai improve or dapat natin i-test din yung ating sarili para ma-improve natin yung ating pamumuhay, hindi lamang sa personal, maging sa trabaho. At para pag-usapan naman natin ang isang personality test, may makakasama po tayong isang life coach ngayong umaga dito sa Good Morning Boss, ang Certified Fascinate Advisor na si Ma'am Cherry Pua Africa. Ma'am, magandang umaga po.
Beautiful morning, Audrey.
Ma'am, maaari ko pong malaman kung ano po itong Fascinate Advantage Assessment.
Itong Fascination Advantage Assessment, no, if I may just reframe, hindi siya personality test. It's a communication test. So essentially po, at the heart of every, leadership team, at the heart of every team, for example, whether it's sports, it's business, it's family, communication is the key to establishing relationships, diba? To influencing other people, to making them take action. So very important na malaman natin kung ano yung triggers natin that make our communication fascinating. So meron tayong 7 different triggers niya, no? Passion is the language of emotions, no? How you actually enable relationships. Prestige naman is the language of excellence. Tapos ang power is the authority. Trust is the language of structure, of consistency. Alert is the language of structures, of details. Innovation is the language of ideas. So, mystique is the language of listening, diba? So, kung alam natin kung ano yung highest advantage natin as a communicator, then we're able to actually enhance these advantages so that when we communicate with other people, we're actually wielding influence.
So, sa mga nanonood po nating mga boss ngayon na maaring interesado sa communication test na ito, ano po bang magigain or yung mga positibong benefits nito para sa isang individual?
Well, you communicate when you communicate at your most natural advantage, then you become very fascinating. Kung alam mo kung ano yung parang fascination profile mo, kung ano yung highest fascination mo, you're able to actually, establish better relationships, sell more products if you're a business. If you even know kung ano yung fascination archetype ng brand mo, no? Alam mo kung paano ka makakapag-sell. Kung politician ka, you know how to talk to people, how to make them, take action, how to make them vote for you. Okay, as a leader, you know how to actually, motivate your team, your players. So, kung alam mo itong mga to, you're able to communicate better. Kasi when you communicate, you just do 2 things. You either add value or you just take up space. And you don't want to just take up space, diba? You want to keep on adding value to people.
Okay, so basically po ma'am, kayo po ay pumupunta sa mga offices at nagkakondak kayo ng mga seminars at mga katulad itong communication test to improve yung workplace, yung mga personality ng mga nagtatrabaho sa isang kumpanya. Tama po
we do intervention coaching. So basically what we do is we tell them to take the test. It's a 3-minute test. 28 questions lang yan. That goes through an algorithm in the US sa Fascinate Laboratory, and then it will tell you kung ano yung communication advantage mo. Then knowing that, we will then create a roadmap for you as a leader, as a supervisor, diba? Or whatever your functional responsibilities are. And then we also engage the team kasi it's actually a tool towards driving high-performing teams. So we engage the team, and then everybody then starts to understand what your communication triggers are, communicates to you in that way. You then know how you're contributing to the team, and then the morale of the team just goes higher.
Okay, individually po ma'am, halimbawang mahiyain o yung isang taong mababa ang kumpiyansa sa sarili ay nag-take ng ganitong communication test. At nakita niya na yung mga pagkukulang niya at saka yung kanyang mga advantage. Ano pong inyong maituturo dito sa isang personalidad na ganito?
Definitely tataas ang confidence level ng person na yun. And when your confidence level is higher, you're contributing more, you're happier. Diba? Kasi marami sa atin inisip natin ng communication is just really emotions. Diba? It's really parang kailangan magaling ka lang mag-public speak. Diba? So these are more the passion people, the power people. No? Pero meron din people who communicate based on alert. No? Napakagaling sa details, napakagaling sa structure. Or they communicate based on trust, for example, na sila sa tradition, sa format, sa structure, no? So, kung ganun silang tao, we cannot force them to be another kind of archetype kasi it's very frustrating to them if they will spend a lot of energy being somebody they are not. So, what we're saying is that you should not aspire to be better than other people. You should aspire to be the best version of yourself. And this is what basically the Fascinate Advantage system provides you.
So, iti-take advantage mo lang yung kung ano yung mga meron ka na.
Yes. You know, Audrey, ang attention span ng people, dati, no, kung ano yung age mo, yun ang attention span mo. So, kung 30 years old ka, meron kang attention span of 30 minutes. But now it has changed because ang environment natin is very distracted. Your attention span is just basically 9 seconds. So, if you're not fascinated in 9 seconds, wala na makikinig sa'yo. So kung alam mo kung ano yung highest advantage mo in meetings, for example, or where you're giving press conferences or as a leader, no, kunwari meron ka mga sales launches na ginagawa, no, so pag alam mo kung ano yung highest trigger mo or highest advantage mo, you're able to communicate better. In those 9 seconds, you're able to capture the attention of the crowd and you're able to influence them towards action.
Okay. Ngayon po, halimbawa, less than a year na lang, ay botohan na naman na national elections. Ito po ba mga politicians, siyempre meron silang personality na pinapakita sa publiko, no? Kailangan din po ba nila ng mga ganito katataas na tao yung life coach para ma-improve din yung kanilang personality at pagtingin sa kanila ng mga botante?
Yes, very important yan kasi even though you are the most worthy politician or leader, if nobody is actually listening to you, then wala rin kwenta, diba? So you need to know how you are actually, influencing others, and you need to actually take advantage of these two advantages, no, kung ano yung communication trigger mo, and work that up, amp it in your life so that more people are listening, you're influencing more people. So whether you're a politician, even President Obama has a life coach, no? So meron din sila mga peak performance coaches. So kailangan natin to kasi left to our own device, no, we do not know everything. We need people to actually show us the roadmap.
Sabi niyo po kanina galing ng Amerika itong communications test. How accurate ito pong exam na ito sa ating, kung applicable din po ba sa ating mga Asian Pilipino? Dahil siyempre may mga kaibahan din ng ating kultura at ang ating mga personalidad sa mga Westerners.
Culture has nothing to do with the test, no? Basically, the test just tells you may mga situational questions siya, and then you will then tell them how you're behaving, and based on that, may algorithm yan in the US, in the Fascination Laboratory, that translates it to how people perceive you. Communication kasi is not just what you're telling people, it's how people are perceiving your communication. Diba? The meaning of your communication is the response you get. So parang ganun yan. It's really your communication and then how you're being perceived. No? Wala yung mga culture dito. It doesn't ask you any cultural questions.
Okay. Nako, alam mo, napakalaking tulong po ng magandang makipag-communicate ang isang tao dahil mas nauunawaan ka, mas na-improve mapanegosyo man yan or mapa-personal. Pero bago po yan, maaari nyo po bang imbitahan yung ating mga nanonood na boss ngayon, yung mga interesado na magkaroon ng seminar sa kanilang opisina or kahit personal coach, saan po kayo maaaring makontak?
Pwede po silang tumawag sa number namin. It's 0917-617-9774. They could go to our Facebook, Coach Cherry Africa. Audrey, meron din kaming Ignite the Fire in You bootcamp for adults if they want to empower themselves and to become the highest version of themselves. From August 28 to 30, meron po kaming bootcamp na gagawin, and we will also have our fire walking there. And siguro yung last na rin, no, meron din kaming Ignite the Fire in You youth program naman. No? Ito yung parang, we've actually translated NLP, which is an empowerment fascination, to the level of teenagers and tweens, no, 7 to 12 years old and 12 to 18 years old. Itong camp is happening in July 7 to 11. So marami pong exciting things, empowerment things that we're doing here.
Napakaganda po niyan, ano. I just can imagine kung lahat ng Pilipino, no, nasa highest level ng positivity, ano kayong positive na impact nito sa ating ekonomiya.
Yes, correct.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Nakapanayon po natin ng Certified Fascinate Advisor na life coach din na si Ma'am Cherry Pua Africa. Maraming salamat po, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Audrey.
Maraming salamat sa Positive Energy. Abangan po mamaya ang ASEAN integration para sa bansa. Susunod na po yan sa pagbabalik ng Good Morning Boss.